from ExpressTruckTax, and I've heard that you accidentally filed for a completely wrong truck on the 2290. So the way that the IRS says that you need to fix this is to file a new 2290 with the correct VIN, and then you would file an 8849. I'm going to take you through that step, but the reason you would not file a VIN correction is because if it was a completely different wrong VIN, what the IRS is going to do is they're going to send you a letter and they're going to say, hey, you filed for this VIN and yet you completely changed it. Where's our additional tax money? So that's why we have to go through the process that I'm about to show you. So go ahead and log into your ExpressTruckTax account, and we're going to click Start New Return. And you're going to file a Form 2290, and we're going to say that it's just one truck. So we're going to file a Form 2290 for one vehicle. And you're going to choose the tax year and the first use month, and you're going to enter the correct VIN on number 2. So you're going to go ahead and you're going to enter that correct VIN and the gross weight of the truck. And again, I know that you've already filed for this, but I'm going to show you how to fix that in just a second. If the vehicle is suspended, you would choose this option on the right-hand side. If it's not, you're going to choose the taxable gross weight. So we're going to scroll down and we're going to skip number 3 because we don't have any prior year suspended vehicles. We're going to go to number 4, which is choosing the IRS tax payment. Now you'll see that the tax due is $550, and you don't want to pay that again because you already paid it on the other return. You're going to choose EFTPS. And what that will do is that it will allow you to go ahead and go through the motion of getting the correct Schedule 1 without taking an additional $550. Now, if you filed the original return with the wrong VIN and you didn't make the tax payment, then you're going to have to make the tax payment on one of them. And so at this point, if you haven't already made the tax payment over here, you'll want to make it here on this return. If you already made the tax payment on the incorrect VIN, then you're going to choose EFTPS. We're going to go ahead and scroll down and click Save and Continue. Number 5 and number 6 are just going to remain at no. And we're going to go through and we're going to transmit this return. Now, once the return is accepted, you're going to get a corrected Schedule 1 with the correct name and the correct VIN. Then what I need you to do is go back to your dashboard, and what we're going to do is we're going to file a Form 8849 Schedule 6. So we're going to click Start New Return, and we're going to go to 8849 Schedule 6. And then we're going to do Start the Form 8849. You're going to choose December as the month that the tax year ends. So go ahead and choose December and then click Continue at the bottom. There are 3 options now. The first option is to enter a vehicle for sold, destroyed, stolen. That's not the case, so we're just going to click Continue. The next option is to enter a vehicle for low mileage. That's not the case, so we're going to click Continue. The third option is to enter a vehicle for tax overpayment. This is where you're going to enter that vehicle. So you're going to click the green button that says Add Vehicle, and you're going to enter the date of tax overpayment. So, let's say that you filed on July 1st and you realized, oh goodness, I filed for the completely wrong VIN. You would choose July 1st. You're going to enter the vehicle that the incorrect return was filed for. So this would be the incorrect VIN. So we're going to enter that vehicle here, and then we're going to enter the overpayment amount. So again, if it was a 80,000 pound truck and you filed July 1st, the tax amount was going to be $550. So you'll enter in $550 there. Now you're going to explain to the IRS what happened. I filed the wrong truck and I refiled another 2290 with the correct truck VIN. Here is the Schedule 1. And so you're going to download and attach the Schedule 1 from the corrected return, and you're going to attach the Schedule 1 from the incorrect return, and it's going to show them that it's the same tax year, 2 completely different VINs. You would also do yourself a favor here to explain the IRS payment. I paid the IRS tax due of $550 with bank account ending in 1234. The tax amount came out on July 2nd, 2021, or whatever the case is. The more detailed that you are in this explanation, the better it's going to be for you. The Form 8849 is processed manually by IRS agents. So this is like giving them all of the evidence that they need to be able to say, okay, yes, I see that this 2290 was filed with the incorrect VIN. This 2290 was filed with the correct VIN. They moved the tax, they paid the tax here. We're gonna move it over to the correct return. If you have further questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. We are happy to help.